all been waiting for updates on this, and you've all been asking on YouTube and all the other social channels. Here it sits, all assembled and very strong and holding itself together for 4 months now, maybe more. No sag happening. I've only propped it up here in the corners so that I can move around the workshop a bit more easily. So here's just a few shots. I have been trying to sand it occasionally, but I hate sanding, and it sends me to sleep. So I'm waiting for a glorious sunny day as summer approaches, and hope that I get my mojo back and get into sanding it and everything turns out wonderful. So we'll just, ow, oh, collapse. I'll just finish on that shot. I'll keep you updated. Thanks everyone for asking. So there is an afterthought which I thought I should, I don't know, fess up to, or tell the truth or something, or just give you my experience. Ultimately, what I wanted to happen was I wanted to put this on a stand, and I was going to put a mounting point in probably about here so that it lines up and comes kind of through here, or somewhere around here, and that would be the optimal point to do it. But back in the early days when I first printed the nacelles, they were far too heavy because the wall thickness was really thick, and my worry was that they would then put a lot of weight on the pylons here, and eventually they would sag. And even though they've got 6mm stainless steel rods through these, I thought that still wouldn't be enough strength. I mean, on hindsight, you learn so much, and I thought that, you know, like I've seen other guys do, ultimately you need to build a metal subframe for the entire thing and then 3D print it and clad the 3D printing on it. And as it turns out, the disc, though it's only got 5% infill in it, and it feels light, once you put it all together, the leverage and the fulcrum is quite a lot compared to the weight of the nacelles and the hull and the pylons. So I'm not sure what to do really. I don't want to put too much stress by putting a rod through here, or if I do, I'm going to have to carefully drill it through. Then I'm going to have to resin or fiberglass or expanding foam it in solidly, and I might have to put it in actually on some kind of angle like this and make a kind of bend on the stand. I know it's hard to imagine with all this being upside down or standing up like that, and I could turn it this way just to give you an idea of what's going on. But yeah, I just thought I'd have these little afterthoughts, and you might like to know.